Well, I got exactly what I wanted. I got some work to do. First camping trip of the year. It is mid-January. I'm at MacGregor Point, Provincial Park in Ontario, Canada. I'm only here for one night. There's a lot of snow, but it's only gonna be around freezing, so this is my weekend to do it. We are supposed to get some snow overnight and into the morning, which should be awesome for photos. We'll see. First things first, it is 3:45, and I've got to dig out an area to put my tent. Sunset is at 5:12. I have 1.5 hours to get everything all set up. Then hopefully I'll take some photos. I need to start a fire. I got a lot to do. Got bug spray in here. Probably not gonna need bug spray today. First things first is figure out how long this extension cord goes, because I did get a site with power. Okay, I think I gotta put my tent right where this table is. I don't know what that's all about. Okay, that should be good for the table. This was my go-to tent. I spent a lot of nights in this thing. I used it exactly once last year. This is a great tent. But it can be a little tricky sometimes. This gives me a perfect amount of room. A little windy. Safety squints. I don't have any fire starters, so I'm going to do this the easy way. And I think that is working. Good morning. It's snowing. I slept extremely well, actually. Although the temperature is around freezing, it ended up raining most of the morning and then switching to snow just before I got out of the tent. The plan for this morning is to make breakfast, which consists of coffee and a muffin, and my water's ready. Then I'm gonna tear down camp, and then I'm gonna see if I can grab a few pictures before I head back home today.
Head west, then turn left.